hello guy hello guys hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore please support and guide me. This is today article. What is the Aravali Safari Park project? Across how many villages is the proposed project going to be spread across? Why have several retired Indian Forest Service officers written a letter to the Prime Minister urging him to scrap the project? Ashok Kumar. The story so far. The Haryana government ambitious 3,858 hectare Aravali Safari Park project spread across Gurugram and Nu, which was one of the poll promises of the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party last year, is envisaged to the world's largest safari park. However, the project was faced stiff opposition ever since it was first mooted. What is the project? As per the tender invited by the Haryana Tourism Department, the proposed Aravali Safari Park will have animal cage, guest house, hotels, restaurant, auditorium, and animal hospital, children's parks, botanic garden, aquarium, cars, eternal walks with exhibits, and open air theaters and eateries. The project has now been transferred to the forest department, and expert committee has been set up to oversee it. Of the total 3,858 hectare proposed in the tender, 2,574 will be spread across 11 villages in Gurugram and many remaining 1,284 in Nu across its 7 villages. Why is there opposition? The hilly in the southern district of the Gurugram and Nu are a part of the Aravalli and oldest fold mountain range in the world. It runs diagonally across Rajasthan, extending from Champaner in Gujarat in the southwest to near Delhi in the northeast for about 690 kilometers. It is ecological significant as its combat desertification by checking the spread of the Thar desert toward the eastern Rajasthan and the platform the role of aquifer with the high fracture fracture and the weather's quality rocks, allowing the water to percolate and recharge the groundwater. It is also a rich habitat to a wide spectrum of village plant species. A group of 37 retired Indian Forest Service officers have written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking to scrap the project, arguing that the project's aim is to simplify and increase the tourist football, not the conserve the mountains range. The primary purpose of my any intervention in an eco-sensitive area should be conservation and restoration and not destruction. The letter said the increased footfall, vehicle traffic, and construction will disturb aquifers under the Aravali Hills, which are critical reserve for the water starved district of Gurugram and Nu. The groundwater level in the two districts has been categorized as overexploited by the Central Groundwater Board. Additionally, the locations of the projects fall under the category of the forest, which is protected under the Forest Conservation Act 1980. Besides, Haryana has a very low forest cover, 3.6%, and therefore the state need to review rebuilding of the natural forest and not destructive safari project. The letter said, what are the laws protecting Aravali? Of the approximately 80,000 hectare Aravali hill area in Haryana, a majority is protected under the various law and by orders of the Supreme Court and NGT. The most widespread protection to the Aravali come from Punjab Land Preservation Act PLPA 1900. The special section 4 and 5 of the act restricts the breaking of the land and hence the deforestation in hills for non-agricultural use. Recently, around 24,000 hectares has been notify as protected forests under the Indian Forest Act as an proposed offset to forest land diversion in the Nicobar Islands, similar that the and Godavarman Trumpal was judgment 1996 extend the legal protection of to forest as per the directory dictionary meaning which should we cover the remaining Aravali area that are not notified as forest. The regional plan 2021 for the national capital region also offers crucial protection designating the Aravali and forest area as a natural conservation zone and restricting the maximum construction limit to 0.5% as Gurugram based forest analyst Chetan Agarwal. Mr. Agarwal suggested that instead of a safari park, the government should declare a national park and a sanctuary in the Aravalis. The gist: the proposed Aravali Safari Park will be have animal cage, guest houses, hotel, restaurant, auditorium, and animal hospital, children park, botanical garden, aquarium, cable cars, a tunnel walk with exhibits and open air theatre and eateries. The hill in the southern district of the Gurugram and Nu are the part of the Aravali, the oldest fold mountain range in the world. A group of 37 retired Indian forest officers have written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking to scrap the project, arguing that the project's aim is to simply increase tourist footfall and not conserve the mountain range. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet tomorrow. Jai Hind.